Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video, it's going to be chicken lollipops. Hey guys, on this video, we're going to be cooking some chicken lollipops. Man, I just realized I haven't cooked much chicken on the channel. So I'm going to bring you guys a great recipe. Man, we're right in the start of grilling season. So this is a great, easy, cost-efficient cook for you guys. And we're going to be running the Max barbecue rub. And guys, one of my new favorite sauces, the Max barbecue sauce. Guys, this stuff is really good. I'll put his information in this video. But I'm going to show you guys a great cook. Stick around. Let's make some chicken lollipops. Okay guys, so you can't have chicken lollipops unless you turn your drumstick into a lollipop, all right? So what you want to do to get started, what I like to do is I like to come in here and I'll just take a butcher knife like this, and I'm just going to square that top off. We want our drum to be able to stand up, okay? Just like that right there. And now that drum will just stand up. So we're going to go through there. We're going to do that to all of these, and then we'll come back and we'll cut the skins off. Stand up. There we go. Okay, and once we've done that, we'll move them over here to the side. We want to pull our skins down. All right, and then just take a good boning knife like this. We're going to go about right here, and we're going to cut all the way around this. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to take everything here, and there is some tough tendons in there. There we go. We're just going to take this meat here, we're going to pop it off the top, just like that right there. And now we've got this cute little lollipop. Alright, now we're going to get these things seasoned up. All we're going to do, we're going to grab these. Come on. I'm going to pick them up. We're going to put this wire mesh down. Hit it with a little spray. I'm going to put these on here. We're just going to kind of even them out a little bit. Come on. We're going to hit them with some spray. All this is going to do is act as a binder for our rub. And then we're going to come in with our Max rub. Looks good. Guys, we're going to be cooking these on the drum smoker. So, kind of ironic, we're going to be cooking drum lollipops on a drum smoker. But that's how we're going to do things tonight. There we go. I'm just going to kind of put these things kind of like that right there. And we're going to take them over to the smoker. Don't fall down. Alright guys, we're just going to set them straight down just like that right there. Going to kind of make sure they're all going to be able to stay up. And then we let them smoke for a little bit, okay? We got the smoker running. I got it cranked up to about 325. I want to put some heat on these. So that the skin will slightly be more tender, more snappy, okay? So we'll check back here in a little bit. All right, guys. Get a temperature. They're done at 165, but we're going to take them up a little bit past it. So they'll be nice and tender. Looks like average about 175. So we're going to pull these off and I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, what we want to do now is we're going to take just a cup, all right, and our barbecue sauce, okay? And we're going with the Max sauce we talked about earlier. Trying to get this opened. I've had it outside on my table just so that it gets to room temperature. If you're doing this at home, just make sure your sauce is not cold. You want it to either be heat, you can go as far as heating it up on the grill, but you just don't want to do it cold, because then you're gonna risk reducing the temperature on the chicken. Shake it up a little bit. What we're going to do is we're just going to pour. Just need enough to submerge the chicken in it. We'll say that's good. And then literally all you're going to do is you're going to take your chicken lollipop, stick it in there. Once it gets to the bone, pull it out, back on. And all we're going to do is put these back on the grill and let this sauce tack up. We're gonna have perfect little lollipop chicken bites. Just like that right there. Alright guys, and now these will go right back on the grill. Guys, we got these done. We got them on the cutting board. We let the sauce tack up for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get you guys a little closer and we're gonna give you guys a taste test. All right guys, hey, lollipop chicken with the Max barbecue sauce, guys. I'm telling you, this stuff is really good. I'm a big sauce guy, and Max has got some of the best barbecue sauce that I've tasted. So highly recommend it. You guys get up there to Skiatook, Oklahoma, go by the restaurant, man, try some great barbecue, and pick you up a bottle of the sauce. And we also ran the rub. It's a great rub. So let's go ahead and get a taste on these. Gotta love something that just looks cool, right? Lollipop chicken, right? Got a handle. Just kind of looks cool, right? All right, here we go. Man, great texture. We killed the cook. You know, people say you got to cook chicken to 165. When it comes to the dark meat or the chicken on a bone, you need to run that up a little higher, and you're gonna have a more tender bite. Okay, man, this sauce is amazing. First thing, and then you get the notes of the rub, the pepper. I love the lemon pepper aspect in his rub. It really works good with the other spices in the rub. But man, this is a killer chicken lollipop cook. All right, here we go. Hey guys, that's a wrap on another great cook. Grilling Addiction with Nick. We're out. Chicken lollipop, baby. Hey guys, we got this done, and wonderful.